We have not even crested the beginning of the battle yet. Those of you who remember Faisal Shahzad, the Times Square bomber, he said in open court, "I am but the first drop of an ocean of jihadis coming your way, and you guys have no idea what's coming." I think it's time we start taking the enemy at their word.
We must never let events like Pearl Harbor or 9/11 go away. We must never forget the things that happened on those 2 days in the attack upon the United States of America. And my fear is that maybe we could end up forgetting what happened on 9/11.
America, America, oh, the land of the brave and the free.
Military and federal workers, moms and dads, friends and neighbors.
Mark was a son I never had. It was a good little, like a buddy to me, and I miss him a lot. And so does his family, of course, and my daughter.
As today,
firefighters continue to pour streams of water.
the firemen
roll every available ambulance you got
in their godlike form.
I first want to say to the families, I am sorry to all of you that you have to go through this. Because haven't we been through enough?
Nothing short of inspiring.
America, America, oh.
I think that we have to come to a realization that there is something that is the anathema of what we believe in, that is using our constitutional rights and freedoms, that is using the First Amendment to try to get within this country and establish a foothold.
The land of the brave and the free.
I just want to let you know I love you, and I'm recommend filming in New York.
September 11th, 2001 has brought together many disparate groups, and we who stand here before you are disparate in our attitudes and in our political views. I guess I'm a liberal Democrat, and yet I flew all the way across the nation to stand here with these folks who, like me, have lost loved ones. I lost my son Mark Bingham on United Airlines Flight 93.
In culture we are formed. Now we stand united as one. Yeah, yeah. America.
Young men and women in harm's way, losing their limbs, shedding their blood, losing their lives, dealing with the enemy over there. We turn around and give the keys of the city to the enemy right here. How stupid we are.
The land of the brave and the free. America, my sweet, sweet America, yeah. God sends His grace on thee. And crowns thy good. Yeah, brother. The land of the brave and the free. Crowns thy good with brotherhood. The land of the brave and the free.